Hello to all my lovely students out there. Jai Narayan to all of you. So last video we had discussed about adjectives, and now in this video we will discuss about adjective phrase. So this lesson is going to be very informative to all of you. Let's start. Start with an example. That sandwich looks very tempting. So here very tempting is adjective phrase. So before going to start this topic, we have to know about what is phrases or what is phrase. So what is phrase? A group of words that are used together. A phrase doesn't contain a full verb like first of all, a bar of chocolates, or on the table. Now what is adjective phrase? An adjective phrase without the subject verb combination tells more about noun or pronoun. What is adjective? A word that modify noun or pronoun. For example, excited. And what is adjective phrases? A group of words that modify noun or pronoun. So here we will see when we talk about when we talk about adjective, okay, so we will say simply a word that modify noun or pronoun. For example, excited, okay. And when we will talk about what is adjective phrases, so a group of words, a word and a group of words. There is a difference between adjective phrase or adjective. In adjective we use only a word, but in adjective phrases we used a group of words that modify noun or pronoun. For example, very excited and here excited. So very excited is adjective phrase and excited is adjective. Now what is adjectival phrase? Sometimes an adjective phrase doesn't have an adjective in it. We call it adjective phrase. An adjectival phrase is a group of words that does the same work of an adjective. The entire phrase function like an adjective. So difference क्या होता है आपका कि adjective फ्रेज की बात करते हैं हम वहाँ पे, तो वहाँ एडजेक्टिव साथ में होता है. लाइक हमने जब एडजेक्टिव फ्रेज की बात की तो यहाँ पे एक्साइटेड है आपका पहले से, लेकिन जब हम एडजेक्टिवल फ्रेज की बात करते हैं तो वहाँ पे कोई एडजेक्टिव नहीं होता, ओनली अ ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स होता है. एंड द एंटायर फ्रेज फंक्शन लाइक एन एडजेक्टिव. वहाँ पे कोई एडजेक्टिव नहीं है एडजेक्टिवल फ्रेज में, but the entire phrase works like an adjective, and it start with the following: a preposition, a participle, or a infinitive infinite, sorry. So for example, I don't like movies with no stories. I don't like movies with no stories. So here what is adjectival phrase? With no stories. So here the adjectival phrase start with preposition. With is preposition. And the book on my desk is by Raja Rao. On my desk. So here again the adjectival phrases start with preposition on my desk. Now what is participle? Word that is formed from a verb and that ends in ing, present participle, or ed, example, past participle. Hurrying and hurried are the present and past participle of hurry. So जब हम बात करेंगे प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल की तो वो आई से एंड होगा, और जब हम करेंगे बात पार्टिसिपल की तो ई डी एंड ई एन से एंड होगा. नाउ लेट अस डिस्कस कि हाउ टू यूज पार्टिसिपल एज एन एडजेक्टिवल फ्रेजेस. हियर द गर्ल वियरिंग द ब्लैक ड्रेस. Wearing the black dress. So here wearing the adjectival phrase start with wearing, and wearing is your participle. The shop built next to my house. Built next to my house. Built here is past participle, and is a adjectival phrases. What is infinitive? The infinitive form of a verb is usually preceded by to with a verb. जब हम to के साथ verb का यूज करते हैं, जैसे कि to dance, to run, तो ये आपका infinitive होता है, यहाँ infinitive होगा. ओके, so I don't know a person to trust blindly. So to trust blindly is adjectival phrases and it start with infinitive. Adjective phrases can also, now next topic is adjective phrases can also appear in the beginning, middle and in the end. For example, the movie was too terrible. Too terrible is at the end. A person smarter than me needs to figure this out. So the a person is smarter than me. Here adjectival phrases used in the middle. And the final exam was unbelievably difficult. तो unbelievably difficult ये आपका आया end में. So sometimes हम adjectival phrases in the beginning में, in the middle में and in the end में आपका देखते हैं. Okay. And now I have a task for you all. On your screen are some sentences. Find out the adjective phrases and answer in the comment box. Okay.